Hello, my name is Vick. I have been a student of Simplified Piano for about 2 years. Um, I have not made as much progress as I had hoped at this point, but certainly more than when I started, which was zero. I'm an evangelist wife, and so we travel and minister every weekend plus some, and so my practice schedule has been very erratic and sometimes sparse. um, Nevertheless, the program has allowed me to learn at my own pace and learn a few basic chords and a few basic songs. And while I probably will never be considered a church musician, it has allowed me to learn a few songs that I can play and sing at home and worship the Lord during my own devotion time at home. And so that is very rewarding to me. I would love for it to expand into more that would benefit our ministry. But until then, I'm going to enjoy being able to play and sing just a little bit for the Lord in my home devotion. And I have been a subscriber to the chord sheet library for about 2 years, and I've also purchased the Christmas Carol Boot Camp and the Next Steps, all of which are just a blessing to me if I had more time to be consistent. But I do appreciate the program, and I appreciate Bethany for all that she has poured into this program and to her students. God bless.